stop. Damn Nissan drivers. That wasn't necessary. What are you doing back there? Oh, that's cut off. Do it again. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, that was fun. Oh, they tore down the gas station. Finally. Enough is said. You can go right on red here, dude. You can go right on red here, dude. Thank you. Let's go. You can go right on red here. You can go right on red. Come on. Come on. Well, there was nobody coming. Now you stuck it. Thank you. Dickhead. Come on. Things to do. Coffee to deliver, you know? Things to do. You're putting your blinker now. You shithead. Hello, hello, hello. Jesus Christ. Stop tailgating, douchebag. You didn't stop. Nice bumper, by the way. Wasn't your turn, folks, maggot. Yep. That was a cutoff. That's cutoff. Straight from the turn lane. Dumbass. Cut off. Cut off. Probably a cut off. Exit dive. One Volvo exit dive. Don't block the intersection, you fucks. Yeah, you're blocking the intersection, you fucks. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. Yeah. 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 Yep. Yep. Ding-a-ling, Grandma! Yeah, now your blanket comes on. Good job, lady. Oh my goodness. Somebody's ass is on fire. I'm doing 72. Whoa! Jesus Christ. And yeah, that's close. Exit dive. You want to wait until I... Yoo-hoo! Wait till I pull out, you fuckhead. On a river of tears, I don't know what to do. That was a cutoff. Don't you turn left out of there. I think you're turning left out of there. You're not supposed to. That's a no turn. No left turn out of that parking lot. You douchebag. And cut him off. Good. You douchebag. Speaking of douchebags, you're too close. Thank you. Use hello. 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 Okay, whatever. And cut him off. Okay. And then exit time. Alright. Folks, maggot. What are you doing? There's no left turn there, you shithead. Toyotard. Bitch. Jesus. Fuck you! Fucking motherfuckers ever fuck. That was red. What the fuck? Stop tip. Oh my god. Right in his fucking trunk, why don't you? Yeah. You're on the red. Who's running the red? You're running the red. Super douche. Stop! There's someone coming, you fuckhead. Toyo turd. God. Did I change that? I did. No! Jesus. Fuck you! Douchebag. Oh, what are you doing? Okay, whatever. Exit dive. Dangerous exit dive. Here comes the next exit dive. That's an exit dive. You're a douchebag. Tough guy in the white tough guy truck is not going to stop. I was correct. Can you wait till it turns green? Hello? Jesus Christ. Not gonna get you there any faster, Grandpa. Now we gonna stop here? No, not really, no. Stop tailgating. Left turn dive, cut off. And left turn dive, and cut off. You can left turn dive too, okay. Dummies everywhere. Get off my butt.